Welcome to the Deal Hunt series where I find the best value eats around Bangkok. In this episode we're doing up a street food thing. This dish is so widely popular around Thailand, so let's see if this shop comes through strong with it. This is Khao Kha Moo. It consists of pork leg, I asked no skin, eggs, kale or whatever greens, and some pickled greens. Also for condiments, chili garlic vinegar and garlic. Boom, boss man. Let me show you how it's done. So we get the rice, we sprinkle some of this vinegar, get this solid chunk of the cow leg. We got the bite. Strong thing. Get some of these pickled greens. Brother man, this pork is straight tenderism. You get me. This is that peak juice content, especially paired up with this garlic vinegar. Oh man. Eating straight with a shell because I'm a savage. Khao Kha Moo was good, but is it a good deal? Let's talk about it. So the price of this dish was 80 baht, which is, I'm not gonna lie, it's not the cheapest Khao Kha Moo, but the portion was big. They put quite a bit of meat. It kind of balances out. I scored this deal middle of the pack, 5 out of 10. If you want to see more Deal Hunt series, make sure to click that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next vid. Tap in, my boy.